lire,
to read. In this video, we will learn the verb to read in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a third group verb, and it follows the same pattern that is shown here. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I read.
je lis,
You read. Informal way.
tu lis,
He reads. Masculine.
il lit,
She reads. Feminine.
elle lit,
We read, or one reads. Informal way.
on lit,
We read. Formal way.
nous lisons,
You read. Formal way.
vous lisez,
They read. Group of males or mixed people.
ils lisent,
They read. Group of only females.
elles lisent,
This French verb is used to express the action of visually perceiving and understanding written or printed words. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. I read a book.
je lis un livre, je lis un livre,
You read a story.
tu lis une histoire, tu lis une histoire,
He reads a newspaper.
il lit un journal, il lit un journal,
She reads a letter.
elle lit une lettre, elle lit une lettre,
We read a recipe.
on lit une recette de cuisine, on lit une recette de cuisine,
We read a magazine.
nous lisons un magazine, nous lisons un magazine,
You read an article.
vous lisez un article, vous lisez un article,
They read a poem.
ils lisent un poème, ils lisent un poème,
They read an email.
elles lisent un email, elles lisent un email.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I read.
Je lis,
You read. Informal way.
tu lis,
He reads. Masculine.
Il lit.
She reads. Feminine.
Elle lit.
We read, or one reads. Informal way.
On lit.
We read. Formal way.
Nous lisons.
You read. Formal way.
Vous lisez.
They read. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils lisent.
They read. Group of only females.
Elles lisent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.